What's going on, guys? Renegade here. Today I'm going to do something with the car that I've been wanting to do now for years. Literally years. And hopefully it should be the world's quickest modification. For those of you who don't know, this is my 1987 Volvo 245 DL. And yeah, I gotta spin this thing around. Give me a minute. Alright, that should be better. Power cord shortage. Alright, now I got home from work. Literally just got home from work. There's a package for me waiting on my porch. Besides, something I've been looking forward to putting into my car for years. Now, this is why it always pays to keep your eye on the internet. Alright, so what's in the box? The box that I've been searching for quite a while now. A Volvo cargo cover for the back of my wagon. And years ago, my mom got herself a new to her 245, the wagon is, and it came to her with a cargo cover. Now I've been looking for one for years since then. That was her last car. She's had her current car for about 4 years. Her last car for like 5 years prior to that, give or take. Either way, I've been looking for this for almost a decade. Now the only times I ever find it, they are astronomically expensive. I mean, stupid expensive. But luckily I keep my eyes open all the time. I'm looking on eBay, I'm looking on Facebook groups, I'm looking on Turbo Bricks, looking for somebody who has one of these they're willing to part with. Now I got very lucky on one of the Volvo groups on Facebook. A guy had one listed. So a special thanks to Jonathan for hooking me up with this part. Finally. He was a cool dude. He got it to me real fast. Originally he wanted someone to go and meet up with him. I shot him a message, I talked to him, and he was willing to negotiate shipping. Basically he made up a box for it, shipped it out to me, and I paid him for the shipping difference. So now we're going to install this, which should be very easy. It's just a matter of screws. Got these mounting plates, which go on the side, and these hooks, which go into the back. Should be all it is. Shouldn't take me long. Oh, the one with the silver Sharpie. Bing bing, mark right there. Going to change that, right? Alright, while I'm installing this, I know a lot of you are probably wondering why. Why is it such a big deal? Well, this cover goes over the whole way back, and it just kind of makes things look tidier. I mean, it's just a roll-up cover. That's it. But it gives it a streamlined look, and if you have anything in here, it hides it. Now, I'm not transporting anything I shouldn't be, but it's a little security thing. Let's say you're out Christmas shopping, you throw the stuff in here, you put the cover over it, Nobody knows. Now, I've been carrying a blanket to do the same thing, but this works better because it doesn't look like I've got some big lumpy thing in here. It just all looks clean and tidy. Me, I like clean and tidy. Boom, that side installed. Now, I gotta put the hooks over here. I guess I can put my back seat up now because I don't need it down. It's out of the way. Volvo hidden spare tire. Gotta love it. In case you're wondering, yes, it's incredibly hot today. Everything done scientifically. Where got the hook too? There it is. Very scientific, very exact, very professional. Losing hooks. Obviously right now it's a little saggy, but this is retractable and you gotta figure it probably hasn't been retracting forever, so the spring that's in there probably just needs to kind of be worked out a little bit, but not half bad. And of course the best part is, well, one of the best parts, Volvo, genuine Volvo. And when you close it, fits perfect in with your third tail light. I don't know how you guys can see that. It's going through the front. Fits around your third tail light. Beautiful. And from the outside, nice and tidy. That's what I call awesome. What do you think? Not too shabby, huh? Obviously, it just lifts up and off the thing. You see, it's already kind of retracting. So it just needs a little working out. Said, this is a project as simple as it was. I mean, it's taken me very little time, including moving the camera around, to get this done. But this is something I wanted to do for quite a while now. And I finally got the cargo cover. Finding the thing was the hardest part. Mainly because I didn't want an aftermarket universal one. I wanted an actual Volvo one with the cutout and everything to go around my third brake light. Give it that real nice seamless fit. That gives it a real nice look, little extra security. If you've got a wagon, whether you can get your, manufacturer one or you can get an aftermarket one, doing something like this fit to your wayback makes it look so much nicer. And maybe if you want to put if you're doing performance things in the car, and you've got cross beams in the back, part of a roll cage or something, this will kind of cover that, and you'll make it look a little sleepier. So guys, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you all enjoyed this. As simple of a project as it was, I hope you all dig it. And yeah, if you all liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video every time. And feel free to follow the social media links down below and down in the comment section. What do you think about this nice Volvo cargo cover for my car? Until next time, guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling. I'm going to keep taking care of business. I'll see y'all in the next one.